Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony.
And I'm Ted Ings for CPI. Today's tip, how do you call on a general manager?
Throw out that PowerPoint.
General managers immediately tune out when a PowerPoint starts playing. That's why CPI offers a highly structured, interactive workshop for your field organization that uses evidence and selling tools during face-to-face dealer meetings, while teaching your team to do the same.
If your organization regularly calls on dealers and dealer groups, this program is the ultimate way to improve your skills and your sales.
Let's face it, when your team meets with a general manager, they have approximately 20 seconds to capture that person's attention. And when the audience is familiar, it's even more important to grab their interest quickly.
To prepare your team for this intimidating situation, we perform role plays with them in triads, using real-world case studies. Ted role plays the following aspects of engagement to prepare your team for their next dealer meeting. Starting with the opening, how to be high energy and engaging from the moment they walk into the room.
Dealership managers don't have time to waste. Be prepared with a well-planned agenda.
Get the main message across clearly and effectively. Why should the dealer choose your product? Be prepared with rock-solid evidence.
Asking for the sale is the toughest part. We show you how to do it, including asking for referrals and requesting more business the right way.
CPI readies your team to use real-world activities and media to seal the deal.
And that's the tip of the day. What differentiates CPI training from the competition is the interactive nature. Your team becomes fully immersed and absorbs each lesson.
Call us today at 212-763-0016 to discover how we can help. Thanks for watching.